The Folding Rollator Walker, model XZY123, is designed with a fully adjustable dual-track system, making it an ideal choice for users ranging from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 2 inches in height. Its 8-inch wheels are perfect for navigating various terrains, from gravel paths to wet grass, ensuring stability and ease of movement. The Rollator incorporates a dual-safe braking system that is 37% easier to operate compared to standard models, offering enhanced safety for seniors. This walker is not just a mobility aid, but also comes with a 4-in-1 accessory package, including a basket, cup holder, cane organizer, and medical pouch, making it a versatile tool for daily use. Maintenance is simplified with a tool-free brake adjustment system, featuring color-coded components that make adjustments intuitive and hassle-free. With its lightweight and compact design, the Folding Rollator Walker is 40% thinner than similar products, making it easy to maneuver and store.